In this video, you will learn how to interface the DRV8825 stepper motor driver with Arduino and Raspberry Pi. This guide is ideal for robotics, 3D printers, CNC machines, and other motion control projects. Welcome to Polonium Technologies. Now let's talk about what the DRV8825 actually is. The DRV8825 is a microstepping stepper motor driver developed by Texas Instruments. It supports motor supply voltages from 8.2 volts up to 45 volts and can deliver up to 2.2 amps per coil with proper heat dissipation. It provides up to 1/32nd microstepping for smooth and precise motion. Now let's discuss the components you will need. For this project, we will be using a DRV8825 driver module, an Arduino Uno or a Raspberry Pi, a NEMA 17 stepper motor, a 12-volt power supply, jumper wires, a breadboard, and a multimeter for current adjustment. Now let's move on to wiring with Arduino. Connect the step and direction pins of the DRV8825 to digital control pins on the Arduino. Connect VMOT and motor ground to the external power supply, and wire the motor coils to A1, A2, B1, and B2. If M0, M1, and M2 are left unconnected, the driver operates in full step mode. Interfacing with Raspberry Pi. Attach the step and direction pins to Raspberry Pi GPIO pins and ensure a shared ground between the Pi and the driver. The motor will still be powered by the external 12-volt supply, while the Pi provides precise control signals. Microstepping configuration. Microstepping enhances smoothness, reduces vibration, and improves motion accuracy. By adjusting the M0, M1, and M2 pins, you can choose between full step, half step, quarter step, and up to 1/32nd microstepping depending on your precision needs. Setting current limit. Let's talk about current limit adjustment, which is a very important step. Use a multimeter to measure the VREF test point while gently rotating the potentiometer on the board. Correct current calibration will protect both your motor and the driver from overheating and ensure long-term reliability. You have learned how to interface the DRV8825 with both Arduino and Raspberry Pi, configure microstepping, and set the proper current limit for safe and efficient operation. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Polonium Technologies, and comment below which driver or controller you would like to learn about next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.